I'm Mitchell Cutts, Account Manager here at EDMI. I'm thrilled to share an exciting case study we recently completed with one of our valued partners, Yurika Metering, part of Energy Queensland. This case study focused on outage detection during an extreme weather event, and it highlights the value that can be achieved when innovation, purpose, and partnership all come together. Here at EDMI, we don't just manufacture metering hardware and offer services. We build smart solutions for the future. For EDMI to fully realise our vision of becoming a global energy solution leader, we must push the boundaries of technology to demonstrate new standards and innovation and take responsibility for creating a better society through energy solutions. And so, this case study started with that mission in mind. We saw an opportunity to explore how we could better detect outages, and not just for the sake of gathering data, but to hopefully benefit those whom it impacts: families, businesses, and communities as a whole. EDMI is truly privileged to have a strong relationship with our friends at Yurika Metering, and it's through these partnerships that we get to explore bold ideas, such as this. An electricity outage can be caused by a manner of reasons: extreme weather events, a tree falling on a power line, or general infrastructure failures. No matter the cause, the impacts are usually the same: disruption and people without power. Much like no news can often be good news, a good energy system is one you don't often notice. It's always on and it's always ready. That's why we used a recent cyclone event in the Queensland region as the focus of our case study. We knew outages had a high likelihood of occurring, and we wanted to explore whether we could detect them faster or differently using the data that was already available to us. Let me show you what the cyclone looked like with a neat visualization. You're looking at a 1-week time-lapse map of the southeast Queensland region, updated every 15 minutes. Each suburb fades from dark green to deep red from the moment the metering devices within that region stop reporting, and back to green again when they recover. Now notice how outages first cascade along the coastal Stradbroke Strip as the storm makes landfall, then ripples inland heading north, before tapering off. By tracking these results in near real time, operators could have better understood where maintenance crews were needed, potentially sooner than waiting for field reports or end consumer complaints. Now keep an eye on those few pockets that stay deep red, even as the rest of the region lights back up to green. That tells us two things. First, recovery isn't uniform. And second, these suburbs deserve a closer look. Persistent outages like these often point to aging assets, harder to reach terrain, or comms blind spots. In other words, these potentially spotlight where targeted maintenance and future investment can deliver the biggest reliability gains. A quick disclaimer: this visualization includes both genuine power cuts and communication dropouts. So the true outage count is likely a little lower than what you see, but the pattern remains the same, and it tells a powerful story about network stress and recovery during a significant weather event. This work opens the door to a smarter, more responsive network. For example, using geolocation data to assist network operators in identifying outages faster and remediating them more efficiently, or even exploring how it could complement other analytics like neutral integrity or impedance fault detection. This project as a whole reflects who EDMI is: curious, collaborative, and committed to helping our customers and their customers thrive in a world that is only getting more complex. Yurika Metering played a crucial role, but they also trusted EDMI to explore something new. They supported EDMI to investigate, interpret, and present on this case study. And that kind of backup is what fuels real innovation. Yurika's willingness to join us on this journey speaks volumes about their own commitment to progress. It's early days, but this could nicely complement existing network monitoring tools. For example, it could prioritize restoration efforts during a major event, or layer in with other fault detection models. At its core, it's about giving operators more context faster, and ultimately making power systems more resilient and consumer focused.